5 o'clock whistle with Maxwell and Crystal.
On Z100, New York's #1 hit music station.
Here comes the party. Welcome to the weekend, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. However you identify, DJ Dramos has us covered.
Maxwell, you know how I'm at home right now because I'm not feeling good?
Yeah.
I'm going to whistle out of my clogged nose. Ready?
Oh, God. Don't do it.
Yo, thank you so much, Max, for holding it down for me. Like, I want to be in studio, but I don't want to get you sick. And anyone listening,
stay your ass curled up at home. And I hope you have it on Amazon because, like we talked about yesterday, you need some artwork on the walls. Please, I'm going to...
Oh, my God, yes.
You know what I'm saying?
I am so butthurt that you called me out for that.
A poster, you know what I'm saying? Do you want one of those live, laugh, pray signs? Something?
I bought some canvases. I bought some art brushes and paints.
Okay,
I just haven't gone to it yet. I'm going to paint your face. How about that?
No. Maybe we'll hook you up with like some sort of a Jingle Ball poster or something like that, all right? Yeah. Goodness, man. DJ Dramos, it's the 5 o'clock whistle. Let's get it, people.
Good afternoon, New York!